Guys, so we're back with another tag video today, and today's video is the 15 word questions tag, and I have my little trusty book here, so let's get on with the weird and embarrassing answers I have to give to you guys. Number one, what's a nickname only your family calls you? Now, I don't really have any weird nicknames, but my family would sometimes call me Nitra, just because I don't know, they don't want to pronounce my full name, but I guess I can count it as like a weird nickname. Number two, what's a weird habit of yours? I can't really say I have any weird habits, but I would always have like this little ball necklace, kind of like this, but only a little smaller, and I would just like twirl it around my finger just because. I don't know why, but yeah, it's something I would always do. I have no reason for it. Number three, do you have any weird phobias? No, I can't really say I'm afraid of a lot of things. Like, I don't like spiders or sharks, but I'm not afraid of them. But at the same time, you won't catch me anywhere in the ocean or holding a giant spider. Maybe one day I would probably hold like a tarantula or something. Number four, what's a song you secretly love to blast and belt out when you're alone? Okay, it's a few different songs I like. There are a few songs from the Get 'Em to the Greek soundtrack, like Furry Walls and The Clap. It's so embarrassing. And then there's a song from a Goofy movie, which is Stand Out and Eye to Eye. Those are like the main songs I would always play over and over again. See, this is really embarrassing. Number five, what is one of your biggest pet peeves? I really hate when people chew loudly and make those noises with their mouths. I don't even want to do it because just thinking about it is like making me cringe, but I hate it so much. It's kind of like ASMR. I'm sorry if you guys like that, but for me it's uncomfortable and it's weird and I just don't like it. Number six, what is one of your nervous habits? I don't really think I have any nervous habits, to be honest. Like, I would just like kind of drum my fingers like just like a normal person, but I don't have any nervous habits. Number seven, what side of the bed do you sleep on? I kind of sleep on like the edge of the bed mostly. It's either the middle or the edge of the bed. Never like the right side. Actually, the left side. I'm sorry. But either mostly the middle or kind of like on the edge. Number eight, what was one of your first stuffed animals and what was its name? Now, I didn't really have a whole lot of stuffed animals, but I had like this tiger, like kind of like the generic tiger that's like laying down, like his paws and his tail kind of curled. I had one of those, but I didn't really have a name. I just called it Tiger. Number nine, what is the drink you always order at Starbucks? Okay. Every time I go to Starbucks, which isn't often, I would always get a vanilla bean frappuccino with caramel and whipped cream. Always. Like, that's my go-to drink at Starbucks. Never anything else. Always a vanilla bean frappuccino. Because I love vanilla. It's my favorite flavor. And caramel. Number 10. What is one beauty rule you preach but never actually practice? It's probably just like a few people, but probably sleeping in makeup, which is really bad. I know. I've only done it like a couple times. That was because I was really tired. Number 11. Which way do you face in the shower? I face the shower head. Plain and simple. Number 12. Do you have any weird body skills? I don't know about weird, but I can kind of bend my thumb back towards my knuckle. I don't know how I discovered this, but I haven't even tried if I could do it anymore. Kind of like that. See, I would kind of bend it behind my knuckle. I don't know how I discovered this, but yeah, it's kind of weird. Number 13. What is your favorite comfort food or food that's bad for you but you love to eat anyways? Ooh. It's either McDonald's French fries, because I'm totally addicted to those, pizza, or a cheesy gordita crunch from Taco Bell. Three main things, but mainly McDonald's French fries because they're so good. Number 14. What is a phrase or an exclamation you always say? It's either what the hell or oh my god or what in the world. I'm not saying I don't ever curse, I do, but what the hell is something I always say no matter what. Number 15, time to sleep. What are you actually wearing? See, this is embarrassing. I just wear t-shirt, pajama pants, no bra. Sorry, it's so uncomfortable. I don't know how women sleep in them sometimes, but just plain t-shirt and pajama bottoms and underwear. That's it. Just plain normal sleepwear. And luckily that's it for all the embarrassment. So I will leave the questions in the description in case you guys want to tag yourselves. But until the next video, you guys, stay weird. See you next time.